Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how to create audience in Google Analytics 4 for Facebook ads visitor, and you can also retarget the audience to the Google ads. So let's get started. You can see that I am landing on the Google Analytics 4 interface, and then go to the admin, and in the admin section we have to find out the option audience and new audience. Here is the option, you have to create the new audience, so I am click on it. So already I told you today I am only retarget the Facebook audience who are coming from our Facebook ads to our website. So this type of audience we have to target it. So firstly add a conditions. So add a new one conditions and go to the traffic source. In the left hand side menu bar you can find out the traffic source. So click on it and find out the source and medium. If I am scrolling, here you can see that session source and medium we have to select on it, and in the right side click the add filter contains, and you have to find out the all of your traffic source. Here you can see that meta ppc and apply on it, and in the right side summary section we have to find out that last 30 days the user coming from the Facebook ads, that is 2.6k. So looking good. Now we have to implement the some conditions and create a audience to retarget in the Google Ads platform, because we know that if I am connecting with the Google Ads, then the audience automatically shift to the Google Ads platform. So now I am adding the more conditions. If I am go to the add new conditions, go to the begin checkout event, I want to see that who are completed the begin checkout event in our website. They are also coming from the Facebook ads. So I'm click on it, begin checkout, and in the summary section you can see that 118 are completed the begin checkout event. So that is the really suitable insight. We have to find out that the 180 user are completed the begin checkout. That means that they are interested in our product. So I'm just exclude it that event and purchase, select the purchase, and then we have to find out the 99 user who are not purchasing our product. Only 64 user are purchase our product, and 99 user are not purchase our product. So that is the core insight. You have to use the retargeting. So if I am just giving the audience name, then giving the name user checkout but not purchase. That is, you have to giving the name and you have to understand, and I am also giving that time frame, that is 30 days. So you have to understand your audience name, and when you are creating the Google Ads, then you have to add in this audience in your Google Ads platform. So I am also create the more audience to more understanding, and that is also help for you. So I am again clicking the for that another audience. So go to the again traffic source, and then and also the session source and medium, and add filter as usual. I am go to the meta ppc, that means Facebook. Again we have to find out the 2.6k. Now I am adding the time conditions, then I'm select on it time, and that will be the minute, and also contains, and I have to put the 10 minutes, and want to see that how many visitors are coming from the Google Ads and how many times they are staying my website. Here you can see that 112. These users are staying 10 minutes in our website. That means they are interested my product. That is the really core insight you have to retarget. That means who are coming our website, they are too much interested because they are staying the 10 minutes. So I have to also exclude the purchase, and we have to find out the core audience who are not purchasing our product. So we have to exclude the purchase, then event, and then finally purchase. Look, see, only 16 users are buying our product who are staying almost 10 minutes. So that is, you have to find out the core audience to retargeting in your Google Ads. So I am giving the name of the audience, that is Facebook user 10 minutes but do not purchase, and that will be the last 30 days. So you have to giving the audience name in details, then you have to understand that for what you are creating the audience, and you have to retargeting easily in your Google Ads platform. So again, we have to adding the more condition to understand. We have to easily adding the conditions and find out our core audience or user. So if I go to the geography, and you have in the right side, you can see that country, city, country ID, region, all of that. So I am selecting the city and exact match, and also you can see that lots of city name. So I'm just select the Los Angeles and apply. That is the really not the more audience, but I hope for you or for your business you can find out the more audience. So I'm giving the overview how you can optimize your audience. So if I am go to the another city, that is Texas, and apply, and here you can see the 17, and go to the New York and apply. Here we have to find out the 50 audience. Just I'm showing you by using these conditions, you can find out and create your audience. So now how can you link up your audience with the Google Ads platform? If you go to the product links, I already told that in the previous video, you can check it out, that here you can find out the Google Ads link. So you can see that that is already linked the Google Ads. So back to the Google Ads. So I will go to the shared library. Here you can see the audience manager. You can find out your all audience here, and you have to use in your Google Ads platform. See, you have to find out all of audience. So finally, successfully, we have set up the audience in Google Analytics for Facebook Ads user to retarget in the Google Ads platform. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.